The Mera Chaoren Houba celebration is held on the first day of Mera Tha, the 7th month in the Manipuri lunar calendar, which occurs on October 15 this year. This is a very particular calendar with laws that differ from both the Hindu scholar calendar and the Islamic lunar calendar. Mera Chaoren Houba is a regional public holiday observed in Manipur, a state in northeastern India. The day being observed today, organized by ELITETV Temple Board. It is an annual occasion honored with great devotions throughout the state. Mera Chaoren Houba is most frequently honored in the Kangla Palace and the Sanamahi Temple in Manipur's Imphal region. Devotees bring fruits, vegetables, rice and incense to present to the gods. They wish for good health and success. The most memorable part of the event is giving water to the goddesses at the temple from Nungjeng Pukri, Kangla Palace. Mera Chaoren Houba is also a celebration dedicated to preserving and encouraging harmony and integrity among all Manipuri groups. The celebration also kicks off the Manipur month of Mera, which runs from October through November. Some Manipuris also observe the 9-day Hindu holiday on Navratri during Mera Chaoren Houba. This is also the moment to pray for and uphold the age-old legacy of love, fraternity and solidarity between Manipuri's valley and people. Mera Chaoren Houba also shows us how to coexist with animals, birds and the environment. The ceremony serves as a reminder that we share the earth with other species that, like humans, need to be treated with decency and respect. Speaking to media persons, Vice President of ELITETV Temple Board, Vidyapati Senjam, spoke about the main objective of observance the day.
Maitai Kunai Ashigi Maitai Shivu Adugunava Yokatnava Amadi Morgi Saba Pangin Kanava Amadi Sating Latin Navada My Pangani Mukta Adugunava Toromasi Nasi Maruina Pantuk Jabani Adugunava Sanami Laning Tona Nasi Mahana Konbalam Yang Tokana Machamana Shina Karamna Hingni Vagi Karamna Lay Vagi Hybrid Yang Harakana Masakona Hangadari Maduka Awapa Apapa Punamak Adormana Makatpiri Hakana Levaki Sahona Mahona Punamak Togadurini Aduga Equigi Mate Kunai Asigi Mate Tona Prava Towashingbu Adumba Mokogi Igi Na Singli Tonga Lady Maki Adumba Maribaki Donta Shiva Kidava Adumba Tona Hanabado Oishanu Hidden at Landing Tona Quipanamata Yaifa Pogen Bibiba Orasanu.